Hi everyone, this is a demo of SmartUX Studio with AI integration. So I'm going to start off with creating an app called Ticket Tracker, and I'll tell the AI agent to create a ticket tracker app with two screens, a tickets list screen and a create edit ticket screen. I'll go ahead and tell it to create. So what we do is we install all the dependencies needed. We just do a npm install and show the progress. So this will take a few minutes. And based on the framework you've selected, the libraries you've selected, we'll install different dependencies. So you'll get what you need for your project. In this case, I selected Ionic Framework, which is for building mobile-first apps. Now you can see we have an AI Assistant tab, and the assistant is determining, kind of based on the kind of project we created, how it should make these screens. So let's give it a few minutes. So while this is happening, I'll talk a little bit about SmartUX Studio. It's showing us Studio, the name of the application. This is showing us the current build status, which is there's no failures yet. We have a Files tab that shows us the underlying file structure of the application. We have a Pages tab that shows us all of the pages and components. Then we have a Models tab that shows us the models of the application, which are the data models that are the source of everything. So as you can see, it's already created the ticket data model for us. Let's see what the assistant is doing right now. So it started to create the tickets page. As we have it selected, we can kind of see what it's doing. This will take a few seconds, but as you can see, it's created a tickets page. We have the notion of, for each screen, of a screen model, which is what data underlies the page. So in this case, it's a list of tickets. We also have a notion of mock data, which is data we show at design time so that users have something to look at while they're building the app. And we have a mock data editor that allows us to see the mock data. The AI is still running. So let's give it another second. Okay, there we go. It's finally created the pages, put them in the right place. Now I can see the mock data here. And it's created my pages. Let's see if it's done. It is almost done. Okay, so now it's gone and created the application for us. So let's preview it and see what it did. So we've got a ticket screen, got the ability to create a new ticket. Um, and now we can use Studio to make changes. So we can use drag and drop. So like, let's say we want to move these badges down at the bottom. We can move that. Um, and then we will see that change in the preview. We can also ask the AI to make changes. Um, so let's say we want to tell it to use a different icon for this. The AI is aware of what you've selected in the studio. So you can say change this to a different icon. And so it knows I'm referring to the edit button and will make a change for me. And as you can see, it knows all about the project structure, so it knows how to make all the correct changes. So now let's add in. We can also use drag and drop to drag items into the form. So we could add a button. So let's say we add a button here at the bottom that we will say is a close ticket button. And then we can add a click event handler for that button. And I'll call this close ticket. And I'll tell the AI this should close the ticket. And the agent is making the change, trying to understand the project. Now let's test the change. There's a close ticket button. Let's click it, and then close the ticket. We can continue using the agent to add new pages, make other changes, and we can use Studio to also make changes via drag and drop to move things around as we want to. So that's the demo of the new Studio and the AI agent integration. The other place where we have AI agent integration is if there's errors in the page. So let's say the user somehow, made a typo and broke the project. Then we'll see a build error. We can click on the line and find it and fix it ourselves, or we can also ask the AI agent to fix it. And as you can see, it detected and what the error is, and it's now fixed it. And we can verify that the controller code is correct again. So that is all the places where you have AI integration. You can use it to create a new application. You can use it to add events. You can use it to fix build errors. You can also just generally talk to the agent, ask it questions about the project. So I can ask it, explain this application to me. And it'll take some time, but it will tell us that this is a ticket tracker application with 2 screens. So these are all the ways we've added AI assistants to Studio. Of course, how long it takes depends on the load. And I think this morning, I guess our agent is being a bit slow. There we go. Gives us a nice overview of the application. It's a help desk ticket management system. It noted that we added the closed tickets. Okay, thank you everyone, and have a good day.